So, hey guys.
It's raining time.
So, today we're gonna be
Today!
this. So,
Well, it's the normal way.
yeah. What's gonna happen when I open it? So, let's see. Okay.
Can I try?
Yeah, Lena. Oh, it's right in there. Oh, guys, I got my finger in there. Look it. I got my finger in it.
Wow! Maybe to my little.
Oh! So Lena's gonna help me over here on the other hand.
Yeah, can I pop it?
So look at Lena on the other end. Oh.
Huh?
How about Lena goes and zoom in and looks in it?
Alright.
Oh. Wow. So guys, you want to see what happens if we really open it? 3, 2, 1. Then I'm gonna put my whole finger in it. Oh. Guys, it feels so weird.
Come on, we gotta empty this thing.
Oh. Guys, look at this. So squishy.
I gotta take this off our grass.
So.
Okay,
No. Alright, so slimy. I could probably use this as my glove. If I wash it.
I got
My new hand goes into war! Guys, look at my hands. So, guys, you're going to see me wash this in my routine. So, let's go.